John, we're going on to the
thingy.
The thingy.
God, no.
Yeah, the thingy has been brought out.
That's the song. The band's changing direction as you speak on stage.
Can we point out to
Oh yeah, actually, everybody's attention please. Jim, are you in the room? Jim, I've been given the...
No, I said Tim, not Jim. It's Tim's costume.
She's telling me not.
Let's see Jim's costume.
Jim's next.
Well, whatever.
But now you've ruined it.
No, actually, it's something else I need to say. Gav's told me to say that Fat Harry's football club have given £350 towards your Hey, it's a joke, not really. Like the moody ones are really black.
This is one of my favourite songs, actually. Never
What on earth is that?
Fight with you, 'cause I've been scared as hell and what with one of your arms I could get busted up. Don't come around here angry. This is a cast out water, and you get cold and still get wet. You hold his arms and I'll fuck him. Yeah, I will fuck him with something. 'Cause the fuck he deserves it. Stay here while I get a drunk. I'll give him a gold head, then I'll make him watch me take his place. Well, the night has brought him something bad. In fact, tonight we have spent ourselves waiting around dry like sand. We had all we wanted. have a nice holiday.